In this video, I'll compare two really powerful tools for any e-commerce business, Sell the Trend and Niche Scraper. If you're running any type of e-commerce business, whether it's Amazon FBA, dropshipping, or anything else, then you know that using the right research tools to find the best products to sell and being able to learn from your competitors can be a game changer for your business. At the same time, picking the wrong tool is a great way to waste a lot of time and a lot of money, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so I can help you make the right decision. Because in this video, I'm actually going to cover really important information about each of these tools one at a time, including product discovery features, supplier information, pricing and subscription, automation features, and much more. Now, for your convenience, I've also included the links to both of them in the description so you can follow along and check them both out as well. Let's get started. Sell the Trend offers a robust product discovery suite featuring an AI-powered discovery engine known as the Nexus. This engine curates products from a variety of sources including AliExpress, Amazon, and Shopify stores, providing users with a rich selection of trending items. The platform also allows for extensive filtering options such as product cost, selling price, and potential profit margins, which are super valuable for targeting specific markets and niches. But what about market analysis? Market analysis on Sell the Trend is detailed and actionable. The platform provides insights into trends, competition levels, and demand for each product. Additionally, it features a trend tracker that monitors real-time data on product popularity, helping users make timely decisions based on current marketing dynamics. What about integration with platforms? Sell the Trend excels in its integration capabilities, particularly with Shopify. Users can seamlessly import products directly into their Shopify stores with just a few clicks. The platform also supports integration with WooCommerce, making it versatile for users across different e-commerce platforms. But what about their supplier database? Well, the tool includes access to a comprehensive database of suppliers, complete with ratings and reviews to ensure reliability and quality. This feature is particularly useful for dropshippers that are looking to establish long-term relationships with trusted suppliers. But what about their pricing and profitability tools? Sell the Trend offers advanced tools to calculate potential profitability, including detailed cost breakdowns and suggested selling prices. This helps users to effectively price their products to maximize margins while remaining competitive. But what about their user interface and ease of use? Well, the user interface of Sell the Trend is modern and intuitive. New users can easily navigate through its various features without feeling overwhelmed, thanks to a well-organized dashboard and clear instructional guidance. But what about their customer support and community? Like, what if you need help with something? Well, Sell the Trend provides robust customer support, including live chat. As you can see right here, you can click this button and you can get help through the bot as well as with a real person. Additionally, they also have an active community of users who can be a great resource. They share tips, strategies, and advice as well. So it's really a wholesome community if you want to get into the dropshipping space. But what about their pricing? So let's talk about their pricing structure. As you can see, they've got two different plans here, keeping it very simple, the monthly and the yearly plan. If you go with the yearly plan, you actually get 2 months for free, so that saves you quite a bit of money. If you look at the monthly plan, you're paying about $40 a month for their essential plan and about $100 a month for their pro plan. And so you can see what they're offering here in each of these. They're offering pretty much unlimited everything with the pro plan, so you're good to go. But you can check them out. You can actually use the link in the description to start a free trial and see which one you like. Let's talk about the automation features now. Sell the Trend includes several automation features such as automated store synchronization and AliExpress order fulfillment, which significantly reduce the manual effort that's required for managing your dropshipping business. But what about analytics and reporting? Well, the analytics and reporting tools provided by Sell the Trend are comprehensive. Users can track sales, monitor inventory levels, and analyze performance data data to optimize their strategies. Now, unfortunately, if you're planning on using Sell the Trend on your phone, they don't have a mobile app right now, so that might not be super convenient for you, but they might release that in the future. As far as reviews and user feedback goes, the feedback for Sell the Trend is overwhelmingly positive, with many praising its extensive product discovery features and effective market analysis tools. However, some users have noted that it would be nice to have a mobile app. As you can see, there's tons of really amazing success stories, and a lot of YouTubers and people that you've probably heard of use Sell the Trend to run their dropshipping business. Sell the Trend is an excellent choice for dropshippers seeking a powerful and intuitive tool to enhance their product discovery and market analysis capabilities. With a strong platform integration and comprehensive feature set, it suits both beginners and experienced merchants. The only notable gap is the absence of a mobile application, which could enhance the management if you're on the go, but that might get added in the future. Niche Scraper excels in product discovery. You can see they have an entire section right here on their website. They've got a product scraper and also a section called Handpicked. You get access to a handpicked selection of trending products here. The platform utilizes a robust scraping technology to analyze thousands of products daily from e-commerce platforms like Shopify, AliExpress, and more. Users can search through these products using advanced filtering options, including profitability, sales volume, and recent trends, making it a really powerful tool for uncovering hidden gems. Now, what about market analysis? Well, market analysis is another really strong suit for Niche Scraper. It offers detailed insights into product trends, demand, and competition levels. Users can also access sales data and engagement statistics to better understand the market dynamics of potential products. This comprehensive analysis is essential for making informed decisions and staying ahead in really competitive markets. But what about their integration with other platforms? Niche Scraper provides seamless integration with Shopify, allowing users to easily import products into their Shopify stores. And while the focus is primarily on Shopify, it offers enough information to be useful for people that are using other platforms as well, although direct integration might be limited with other platforms. But what about their supplier database? Well, Niche Scraper does not directly offer a supplier database, but it focuses more on product metrics and trends. Users need to conduct their own supplier research or pair Niche Scraper with another tool that offers direct supplier connections. And what about their profitability and pricing tools? Well, Niche Scraper includes a profit calculator that helps estimate the potential earnings by considering various factors like shipping costs, product costs, and suggested retail prices. This tool is invaluable. It's super useful for quickly assessing whether a product could actually make you money or if it's gonna destroy your business. Now, what about the user interface and ease of use? The user interface of Niche Scraper is straightforward. It's pretty easy, although it doesn't look as beautiful as some other platforms that I've seen, but I guess that doesn't really matter because it's still really powerful and it does the job, which is what really matters at the end of the day. They do have clear navigation and explanatory elements that makes it easy for most users to find all their features. As you can see, their product discovery, market research, and all the stuff is right here on their homepage for you to easily see, so you know exactly what to do. Now, what about customer support and community? Well, Niche Scrapers offers customer support through email and an extensive knowledge base. They also have an active Facebook group where users can share insights, they can ask questions, and they can learn from each other's experiences. So it's a really healthy platform in that matter. What about their pricing? Well, pricing is obviously important, so let's see how much it actually costs. Now, Niche Scraper does not actually have a clear pricing section on their website, which is kind of annoying, but if you actually Google their pricing, you can see a review that tells you that their Scraper Pro plan starts at about $50 a month, and they offer lots of comprehensive features such as analysis of AdSpy and Shopify stores. The good thing about Niche Scraper is that you don't have to worry about that because you can actually get started with it completely for free. What about automation features? Now, NicheScraper does not offer extensive automation features for managing like regular day-to-day dropshipping operations, but its product scraping and analytics can help you streamline the product research phase by a mile. It's just amazing. So what about analytics and reporting? The platform offers detailed analytics and reporting features, allowing users to track product performances and market trends comprehensively. These insights are crucial for adapting strategies and maximizing your sales. Now, if you're planning on using NicheScraper on your phone, you want to see like the results and check your data. Unfortunately, they don't actually offer a mobile app at this moment, which could be a downside if you're planning on using your phone. Chances are you're probably doing most of your business from your laptop anyway, so that shouldn't really be a deal breaker. Overall, the reviews and user feedback for NicheScraper is largely very positive, with people praising the really effective product discovery and comprehensive market analysis capabilities. If you look at their FAQ section, they tell you like what's so special about NicheScraper. Well, they have one of the most advanced product web crawlers available, and it's written by ex-Facebook and ex-Instagram employees. It is capable of analyzing trends and data to reveal true winning products that no other product research service can compete with. So that's a huge, really bold statement. And you know what? The fact that it was written by ex-Facebook and Instagram employees kind of signals that the product is probably really, really good. That's what I would assume if I didn't know anything about it. Clearly, NicheScraper is an excellent choice for dropshippers focusing on discovering trending products and analyzing market opportunities. Now, as you can see, both tools have their pros and cons, and the best one for you depends on your specific needs. If you're interested in starting a new e-commerce business, or maybe you want to move your existing business to another platform, I'd recommend Shopify. It's one of the most popular e-commerce platforms in the world, and you can try it out for an entire month for just $1. For your convenience, I've included the links to all tools, platforms, and relevant resources to help you with your business. It's in the description box below. Drop any questions you have in the comments section, and I'll do my best to help you out as soon as I can. Thanks for watching.